Another pricing method that is used by a lot of MSPs nowadays is bundling. The tactic of creating your own packages to put forward to a client has been around for years, and it's not going to be going anytime soon either. Hands down the easiest route to sell new products to the masses, it's been found that having bundles in place that have already been carefully thought through is the key to success to prevent a client trying to figure it out all by themselves. Priced at usually adding £1.50 to £3 to their existing package, most MSPs like to throw usecure into the mix whenever and wherever possible. The only thing you have to worry about and figure out is what bundle a product like usecure should be even added to. As for what the bundle contains and what you call it, that's up to you. But to give you an idea, the most common products that are included in bundles with usecure are a combination of the solutions customers use and need every day, along with the products that MSPs find the easiest to manage. Even if you are new to the world of bundling and thinking about combining your own solution to create bundles, it's really a good idea to sit down first and consider what products can naturally come hand in hand with others. It's an exciting journey to go down, and much easier in the long term to take your average order value to a much higher level. We even have MSPs who advertise a full email security 360 package in the form of protecting the past, present and future lifecycle of the client. The past being a backup product, present being something like Office 365 or a password management tool, and usecure as the future. It's a really nice rounded way to create awareness to your client and protecting their whole lifestyle without putting them off. It's got a nice name too. However you do it, it's up to you. Hopefully this video has given you a few ideas as to what to expect and also how to grow usecure, but the one thing that stays true is the price. Just by adding £1.50 to £3 to an existing or new bundle is a really nice way to start talking about usecure and reach new audiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.